Imagine if Photoshop worked on DNA. You want blue eyes? Click. You want to be taller? Click. You want your kid to have the metabolism of a hummingbird but biceps like The Rock? Click. That's not sci-fi anymore. That's biotech, and it's coming in hot. Welcome to Chapter 5, The Technology of Life. In Chapter 4, Solomon told us that we have now learned how to mass-produce intelligence. Chapter 5 takes it further. We've also figured out how to program life itself, from reading to writing DNA. For most of history, DNA was like a book we could barely skim. Now, with tools like CRISPR, we're not just reading DNA, we're editing it. Genes aren't sacred text anymore. They're Word docs. Cut, copy, paste. This means that cures and treatments once thought impossible are suddenly on the table. Custom cancer therapies, disease resistance, and even designer organs printed like spare parts. On the bright side, that's revolutionary healthcare. On the dark side, you could engineer the flu in your garage if you're reckless enough. Solomon's big point is that biology has shifted from mystery of life to engineering discipline. Cells and proteins are building blocks, not sacred mysteries. And that means innovation can move at software speed. Fast, messy, and global. Some of you may not be able to remember the first home computers, but they seemed magical. And then suddenly, kids were coding games in BASIC. That's biotech now. Mysterious at first, but now anyone can tinker. So why is it different this time? Well, changing biology isn't like changing software. Bugs in an app are annoying. Bugs in DNA can alter ecosystems, food chains, or even entire species. Once you release an edited organism, you can't just uninstall it. This is the ultimate no backsies technology. So what's the point of all this? We are no longer just users of life, we are designers of it. And that shifts the stakes massively. Medicine, agriculture, and even the future of humanity is all up for grabs right now. But like AI, once the tools are out there, biotech isn't just another lab discipline anymore. It's a wave rolling across the planet carrying both miracles and nightmares. So far, we've looked at intelligence as technology and life as technology. But wait, there's more. Those aren't the only waves coming to hit us. Robotics, energy, and nanotech. You name it, they are all surging forward together. And what happens when they collide? Well, Chapter 6 dives into that, the wider wave. Stick around because the next time we're zooming out to see how all of these technologies combine together to make one big tsunami that's going to change the world. Till the next one, thanks for tuning in. Peace. Thanks for tuning in. What am I, like a news reporter? Thanks for watching.